Before preparing the ledger accounts, I shall make a note of all these journal entries for the sake of my convenience. This is the date is 2017 January, the first date, cash, capital. 5 lakhs. This is for my personal use. Then on 5th, furniture, cash. This is 6,000. On 10th, purchases, cash, 10,000. After 10th to 15th, purchases, Jayanti, 25,000. Then on 18th, Jayanti, purchases return account. Purchases return account 2,500. After 18th to 20th, sold goods for cash. Cash sales 32,000. After 20th to 25th, sold goods to Elizabeth. Elizabeth to sales 72,000. Then after 25th to 30th, salaries paid to Krishna. Salaries to cash 7,000. Then on 31st, received commission, cash account to commission account 2,800. Then received cash from Elizabeth on the same 31st. Elizabeth to received cash from Elizabeth, therefore cash account to Elizabeth account. Amount is 22,000. So for all the three we have written the journal entries. Jayanti to purchase return account, cash to sales, Elizabeth to sales, sales to salaries to cash, then cash to commission, cash to Elizabeth. Okay. And from these 10 transactions, now we should select the names of the ledger accounts. First one, cash account, we should prepare. Second one, capital account, we should prepare. Third one, furniture account, we should prepare. Fourth one, purchases account, we should prepare. Fifth one, Jayanti account, we should prepare. And sixth one, sales account, we should prepare. Seventh one, Elizabeth account, we should prepare. Next one, salaries account, we should prepare. And the next one, commission account, we should prepare. So cash we have written, capital we have written, furniture we have written, purchases we have written, and Jayanti we have written, and one more thing, purchases return we should write. Purchases return, next one sales, next one salaries Elizabeth, then next one salaries, next one commission. So there are 10 ledger accounts we should prepare. With these 10 transactions, we should prepare 10 ledger accounts, and what we are going to see now. The very first ledger account is the cash account. We shall see it now. In the books of Ratnakumar, we are going to prepare the ledger accounts. Dear students, listen the video very carefully, because from these problems what I am teaching, I am going to tell you some more messages what you should know for the preparation of trial balance. Bear it in mind. Journal folio and amount, that is date, particulars, since it is ledger, journal folio, the next column is amount, rupees. Then on the credit side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Journal folio, amount. Data, creditor, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. This is the format of ledger, you know, where the first ledger account is the cash account. You write at the center, cash account. I have shown you very many times how you should write the heading. In the notebook, here you should write cash, on the other side account. These two sides, how you should use, I told you very many times. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount rupees. Leave the other column, go to the other side. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount rupees. This left hand side data, right hand side corner credit card. So remember the format, which is very important. We shall go to the postings of ledger. On 1st 2017 January, we shall go to the date, first date. Cash is on the debit. So on the debit side, what all you write with 2 you should write here. What all you write on the credit, we should use the word by. Okay, cash here to Ratnakumar's capital. Ratnakumar's capital account, that is 5 lakhs. Right. Then on 5th, cash is appearing on the credit. Therefore, on the credit side, buy. What is coming along with the cash? Furniture. Buy furniture account. Furniture account 6,000. Then on 10, cash is on the credit side. So, buy purchases account. Amount is 10,000. Then on 15th no cash, 18th no cash, but 20th there is cash on the debit. So on the debit side, sales 20th to sales account. On 20th to sales account, what is the amount? 32,000. 32,000. Then the next sale cash comes on 30th. Here on 25th no cash account. On 30th there is a cash account. Salaries account and debtor to cash account. That is on the credit. 30th. By what is coming along with the cash? By salaries. By salaries account 7,000. Then on 31st in both the items cash are coming only on the debit. So 31st on the debit side, 31st to what is coming along with the cash? Commission account. To commission account. Commission account is 2,800. Then next one, Elizabeth, the same date to Elizabeth account 22,000. So we can find the total. We can find the total. Find the total. Here 6,800, 6, 5, 5 lakhs 56,800. Here only 16 plus 7, 23,000. So debit side total 5 lakhs 56,800. Credit side total 23,000 only. So you write the greater total on both sides, 5 lakhs 56,800, and the balancing figure, that is missing amount 800, 5 lakhs 33,800. 5 lakhs 33,800. This is the missing amount or else the balancing amount. Therefore, by balance carried down. In the opposite side, we should write to balance brought down. For carried down, the last date of the month, last date for January 31st. For brought down, next month, first date. Next month, first date. With this, the cash account ledger is over. Now, we shall pass on to the next ledger account, capital account. For want of space, I am not going to write the heading, that is the date, particulars, etc. for all the ledgers. The next ledger account is capital account, Ratna Kumar's capital account. Ratna Kumar's capital account. In this, where is Ratna Kumar's capital account on the credit? 2017 January 1st, 2017 January. Here on first, on the credit side, capital, what is coming along with this capital is this is cash. Therefore, by cash account, the amount is 5 lakhs. No other entry for capital. Therefore, we can close the ledger. In this capital account ledger, only one entry. Here the total 5 lakhs, here 0. So you write the greater total. Period total rendu pakkamum podu. How much is missing? The entire amount is missing. 5 lakhs. For the balancing figure, you write balance carried down. The opposite side, balance brought down. The same carried down amount. For carried down last date of the month, for brought down next month, first date. We shall pass on to the third ledger. The third ledger is furniture account. The third ledger is furniture account. Debtor, as usual, creditor. I don't want to write that date particulars for want of space. This is furniture account. Where does the furniture appears? On 5th. This is the only place where furniture appears. So on 5th, 2017, January 5th. Here only there is 2. What is coming along with the furniture? Cash. Therefore, to cash account. How much is the amount? 6,000. No more entry for furniture. Close the ledger. Here total 6,000, here total 0. And therefore write the greater total. Here how much is missing? All the 6,000 is missing. Therefore by balance carried down. Balancing figure, balance carried down. In the opposite side to balance brought down. For the carried down, same month last date. For brought down, next month first date. Okay. We shall continue the ledger accounts now. Once I wrote the columns, date, particulars, etc. I think I need not repeat the same dates, particulars, general folio, amount, date, particulars, general folio, amount. So we shall continue the next ledger, purchases account. January 2017 January. Okay. Now we shall pass on to the next fourth ledger, purchases account. On 10th and 15th, the purchases account are appearing. Both are appearing on the debit side only. We should pass entry on debit. So January 10th and 15th. What is coming along with the purchases on 10th? Cash. So to cash account. 10,000. And on 15th, Jayanti account. To Jayanti account. Jayanti account. 25,000. No more entry for purchases, so we can close. We can close. Here 35,000, there 0, greater total I wrote on both sides. How much is missing here? The entire 30,000, 35,000 is missing. So again the missing amount, that is balancing amount by balance carried down, and in the opposite side to balance brought down. The same 35,000. Here the last date of the month for brought down, next month first date. This ledger is over. We shall pass on to the next ledger. The next ledger is, after purchases, Jayanti account. After purchases, it is Jayanti account. JNT account. JNT account, where does it appear? On 15th, on the credit it is appearing. That is 2017 January. Here also 2017 January. And the first JNT account on 15, JNT account appears on the credit. So this is by purchases account. The amount is 25,000. 25,000. And the next one, JNT account is appearing on the debit side on 18th. What is coming along with the JNT account? Purchases return. So, to purchases return account. The amount is 2,500. And in no other place the JNT account appears, only in these two entries. So we can close the ledger. We can close the ledger. Here 25,000, here 2,500. So you write the greater total on both the sides. 25,000. Here only the amount is missing. How much? 22,500. This is the balancing amount. So to balance, carry down. Since this side carry down, opposite side balance brought down. The same carry down amount, 22,500. So we can close this ledger, and before that we should write the date for carry down, the last date of the month, for brought down February, next month, first date. We can close the ledger now. Then, next ledger. Next ledger. After JNT, it is purchases return account. The next ledger is purchases return. Purchases return account. Where does it lie? 2017 January. 2017 January. Where does it appear? Purchases return appear on the credit side on 18 by what is coming along with purchases return? JNT. Therefore, by JNT account. The amount is 2,500. No more entry for purchases return, so we can close it. Here the total 2,500, here 0. So you write the greater total 2,500. The amount missing is the entire 2,500. This is the balancing figure. So to balance, carry down the opposite side by balance brought down. Balance brought down. Here for carrying down the last date of the month, for brought down next month, first date, February 1st. The next ledger account is the next ledger account. After purchases return, the next ledger account is the sales account. Next ledger account is the sales account. Sales account. Where does the sales account appear? On 20th and 25th. In these two dates, on these two dates only, sales account appear. On what side? See, on the credit side. See the date 2017 January. This is cash 20th, and the next date is 25th. On 20th, what appears? Cash appears, therefore buy cash account. Buy cash account 32,000. And on 25th, what is coming along with the sales account? Elizabeth. $72,000. Now, no more entry. Close the ledger. Here 1,04,000 is the greatest total. Here 0, therefore you write the greatest total 1,04,000. What is the missing amount? The entire 1,04,000 is missing. Against the missing amount you write to balance, carry down 2017 January. This side carried down, therefore in the opposite side brought down. The same carried down amount 1,04,000. As usual, for carried down last date of the month January 31st, here next month February 1st. There are 3 more ledger accounts what we are going to prepare now. Elizabeth, salaries and commission.